All right, good morning everybody. Welcome to Sanger High School West Campus. My name is Sam Polanco, I'm the deputy principal here. I want to welcome Cheryl and the Sanger scene for joining us today, keeping our social distance here. I want to welcome you to our campus. Cheryl was last here November of 2019. And 8 months ago, we're here to show everybody the difference of this campus and excited to start our school year here. We are right in front of A building, which houses our admin. It's a two-story building, a library, and to the south end are where all of our classrooms will be. So we're excited to show you around. Come on in. We'll show you all the updates. All right, come on in everybody. Check out our office here. This is the administration office where parents will come and check in students, check out students. To the north of the building, we have our nurses station and infirmary. So any medical issues or notes that need to come in, we'll go see the nurse. We have a section for 3 cots in there. Students will have medication locked up, important files locked up. So beautiful space. This is our secretarial area. Our attendance area will be here, as well as our admin assistants here to meet the needs of our parents. All right, so we are in our north part of the admin office. This is the section of the office space that is dedicated to offices for future counselors, psychologists, speech therapists, any administration or other support staff that we would have. If you walk on this way, this is one of our staff workrooms where teachers will be able to come, make their copies, prepare what they need to prepare for their students. So we just left the north end of the admin office, moving towards the middle of the south end. We have a nice conference room here that we'll be able to have meetings with parents and staff, community members. We have a big conference table that's going to be installed in the next week to be ready for us as we start school. Further down, we have the administration offices. So my office here, deputy principal's office. And then further over next door to me is our assistant principal, Mrs. Haley Marquez's office. So we look to have some great conversations with parents. Our doors are always open, so come on down and pay us a visit once we are able to. All right, community, as you start coming up to the Sanger High West campus, as well as any other campus in the district, you're going to start seeing these nifty little mailboxes here. This is not for you to deliver any letters on out, but this is where you can drop off any information for the schools, so any registration packets, any deposits. It'll be locked, and only the school will have access to it. Again, these will be out in front of your schools, and this is just to help keep distance between us. And again, still allows you to drop off the important information you need to drop off. Ours will be out right in front of our building here at the West Campus, right off of Fowler Avenue. Down towards the south end is known as our academic wing. We have 15 classrooms here on the first floor, another 18 or so on the second floor, and these are all academic wings. To the left here, we'll enter into some classrooms. These 4 classrooms on our left-hand side here are all our career tech classrooms. Our art and ceramics will be housed there. Our engineering programs will have a multimedia graphic and design lab, as well as a workroom that is in the work for students to work on machines, do a little bit of welding, do a little 3D printing. Will all be done on this left-hand side. All right, we've entered Miss Florina Fernandez's English 9 classroom for the coming year. She's already been on campus preparing her classroom. You can see our classrooms were designed and the furniture was purchased and selected to allow for the utmost flexibility in classrooms. Every chair in our classrooms is on casters and can easily be moved and adjusted, as well as our classroom tables. Teachers can move according to the lesson, and they're able to flip it up, connect them together, move them around. And we wanted our students and our teachers to have that flexibility and create the best learning environments possible. Their teacher desk and chairs are also on casters to allow for, again, easy movement. There is no one set way a classroom needs to be set up. You can see we went away from the smart boards and moved along the lines of having 86-inch TVs in our classrooms that'll be connected with Apple TVs where students and teachers can share and mirror their work on the screens, and so everybody can see that within the classroom. Every classroom has a beautiful open window that allows for a lot of natural lighting. And all of our lighting within our campus is all LED lighting, again, to allow for the utmost comfortable and inviting classrooms possible. All right, we're now entering our Library Media Center on the second floor of our building. If you come on down here to your right-hand side, we have our circulation area where students will be able to drop off or check out textbooks or books for their own pleasure to read. We come on down this way, we have a beautiful tech station. Any iPad needs, any damage or repairs that need to be done will be able to be done right here in this tech office. So we are getting the final pieces of our countertops put in, and we'll be all set to go for our students. Welcome to our collaboration space inside of our Library Media Center. This is going to be a great place where multiple classes could come together when it is safe and interact with one another. Our parent meetings will take place here. Beautiful space. We look out, you get to see out down towards Fowler Avenue going out towards Church Avenue. And a lot of, again, natural lighting here provides a great environment for learning opportunities. This will also be a great space where students can just come, read a book, do some work here on our campus. So we're excited about this space here. Welcome inside our NPR. We have to put our hats and safety vest on. This is not quite turned over to us just yet. But in the meantime, you can see here we have our stage. We'll be able to hold performances of all different sorts. We have LED lighting in here, nice wood paneling along the edges of the front of the NPR, and it goes down towards the black. If you look at the ceiling in the NPR, it's got nice architectural features that also serve as acoustic balancing for us in here when we do those performances. Over further back where the middle gate is there, that's where our students will be able to pick up their lunches and eventually eat them in our NPR or in our outdoor seating area as well. We can walk back this way, and it'll take us to our choir room and our band and drama rooms. Choir, drama room here. And then it leads us into our band room. All right, so we've come outside of the NPR to our amphitheater area here. Sod is scheduled to go in next week, and finishing off the final walking path that'll go from the main parking lot over to this area. If you look further out here, you see some green grass field. That is where our PE sessions will be taking place. There's a gate with the walking path that our bus pickup and drop-offs will be. Further over, you see our parking lot that you can enter in and exit in off of Jensen Avenue. That will be our main parking lot. There's a driveway we can pick up, drop off students as well. So we are excited to get students here when it is appropriate and when we're allowed to. A lot of work and heart and soul has gone into this project. We thank our school board, our community for giving us the opportunity to build this campus for our students, and we're looking forward to August 20th where we can start, even if it is online digitally. We look forward to the time we can bring our students here to this campus.